310 days ago, another war started. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, August the 12th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku, 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve in the evening. Well, we have here the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles, and first one is the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9074. Well, the Olympics is ended yesterday. Yeah, we won a lot of gold medals. Anyway, about the war, yeah, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and it's getting worse because there will be a retaliation of the Iran, yes, Iran. So in one of these days, the payback time, yeah. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. It's indicated with 3 stars. Well, for 3 stars puzzle, usually it has 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Is this really a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 3 in this row. Third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Well, and now which number can I pick? Need a 5 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Need 6. No, 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 8, need an 8 here, 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row. First row, no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in that column, no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, oh wait. Now I cannot continue with 8. I need to wait now. How about these two missing numbers in this column? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. I need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the third row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright, and now, let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, and look, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Then, which number can I pick? How about 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Then can I use the 6, 6? 6, 6, need a 6 there. Yeah. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well. 6, 1, and a 2. Come on. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and a 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there, yeah. Need a 4 here. No 4. Come on. Well. But the 8, no. But the 5, yeah, 5 in this column. 5 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for this 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. I need a 5 there. Cannot continue with 5 now, need to wait. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4. Well, will be difficult. Alright. How about the 6 then? No. Need a 6 there. No. Well, need a 6 there. 1, 2, 4. Um, hmm, 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 hmm. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well. One and the 8. Yet 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be in. 1 goes at him. Then. Well. Need a 4 here. I need a 2. Need a 6. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. That means in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. So the only place level 7 should be there. 7. 7 here. Need a 7 there. Well, cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Yeah. 2. 8. With the 4 then. Need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Come on. Need a 5 there. 5. Need a 1 here. With the 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. No 7 here. Come on. I'm thinking. 8. Need the 8 here. Let me finish the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places, 11, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column. Third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. There's number 3, number 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5 and a 7. Come on. And a 6 here. One there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in that box. So 1 box left with a 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle. The only place left with a 6 should be here. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left with a 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left with a 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is for number 6. Okay. 4. Need a 4 there. Well, more difficult. 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Yeah. Here also 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. 1, 2, and the need a 7 here. 1. Can we 1? 1 and a 2. How about here? 1, 2, and the 4. Missing 2 and the 4. Here also 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only place left, the 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 7 should be there. And all the sevens are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 7. Alright. Then 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and the 2 are left. 2 numbers left in the last row. The 1 and the 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 4. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Then 1 box left in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with a 2 should be there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Wow. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Faster than 50 minutes. Wow. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15. Anyway, thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. The 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.